This 2025 KZ Connect 252BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, spare tire kit, external shower, LP detector, DVD player, awning, refrigerator, smoke detector, TV, slide-out, leveling jacks, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2025 KZ Connect 252BH is 6,960 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.